This here is my new dual exhaust. Besides the mufflers, which are cheap cherry bomb turbos, it's all 850 polished 304 stainless. I had the shop I took it to bend up some short little pipes. The factories would have been something like this. They would have actually dumped out near this post, obviously inside the frame, except it would have been on that one side. I obviously can't run it that far with my gas tank on this side, so they're a little bit shorter. And hold on 1 second while I reposition the cardboard. I'm actually wearing my good clothes while I'm doing this, like always. You can see how well it clears my PTO. And the other side here, tucked up nice, doesn't drop below the frame in any spot. And I don't think it sounds too bad for cheap exhaust. Mufflers are 25 each, and I think I have 150 into the stainless, but I still have about 18 feet left over for my 63. Good old New England surface rust on everything under here. That's about it. I don't know how to turn it off, apparently.